This Pacific P16 truck has got a tough job on its hands. The driver knew well enough to drive carefully on this dangerous ground. The road is better for this specific truck, but that's a perfect definition of overload, and any slight mistake will end badly and he could fall down the hill. It's an ordinary day, but things can go wrong quickly without you even knowing it. That turn didn't sit well with the truck. It had just enough of the exorbitant load. See how the Chippo 8010C wood chipper is doing its magic. Its ability to break through a tough tree like that is amazing. Chippo also has an extended system that chops tree trunks into pieces. Vermeer WC2300 Tree Chipper is also incredible at chipping. It's quite fascinating to watch. It's another hard day at work trying to get out of a stuck situation. It's a busy day for the Caterpillar 320C as it works in the field, using its crane to arrange, move, and sort wood logs. The Bell 8000 is one of the most effective woodcutters in the logging industry. Look at how precise it is at cutting those big logs and shaping them. Here's another angle for you to see. The driver of the truck sure has a lot of faith in his driving skills, but sometimes faith is meant to be broken and shattered. There's no way out of disaster for this one. This is what I call moderation, or eating as much as you can handle. It will not have any issues transporting its materials, so long as there's no external factors affecting its movement. It's winter. It's cold out there, but the logging business can't stop for this. Work is still on its way. The Vimec 870 may be small, but it packs a punch. This agile and effective machine is perfect for those tough spots in the forest that bigger machines just can't reach. It zips through narrow paths, turns on a dime, and can handle all sorts of tasks. Whether you're managing a small woodland or tackling selective logging, this little powerhouse makes big challenges look easy. This Scania R650 V8 is powerful. With its mighty V8 engine, this truck roars through the woods, ready to haul massive loads of logs. Watch this giant truck take a not-so-smooth move into the mud. Even the toughest have their off days. Fortunately, the truck had help from other tractors to see it through the muddy pathway. Here's the John Deere 548, the ultimate wood mover and lumberjack's best friend. Watch as it picks up logs like it's clearing a messy backyard. Moving on, a messy and rainy road is the nightmare of most of these drivers, although things seem to be going just fine today. Here's a Newman truck in action. When faced with a sharp corner like this, a skilled driver knows how to make a careful and precise turn to keep things moving smoothly, without any issues. Look at the brave and fast truck trying to outrun dirt on the ground, but the ground had other plans. Moving woods is not restricted to the road alone. Here's another mode of transportation that you might not see coming. As a truck driver, driving in a muddy area, a rainy day isn't exactly something you'll always wish for. This truck is strong enough to force its way to a certain point, but with the help of the tractor behind, it was able to make it through. It might look like the driver is pulling stunts for online attention, but let's watch and find out. This is actually a genuine path for the huge truck. It's pretty amazing to see, don't you think? This forklift is very effective at what it does, carefully loading the woods on the truck.